This is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 11, and it reads, "And great earthquakes shall there be in Salakia, and great earthquakes shall there be in diverse places, famines and pestilence and fearful sights, and great signs shall there be from heaven." Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Wakakadash. Double honors to the elders and apostles of Great Millstone, pushing his word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim scattered through the four corners of the globe, pushing the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim that be like unto the speckled bird, pushing the word truthfully and sincerely. Say shalom to Akim out there. And this is a sit-down lesson on this Saturday night, 9:05 p.m. Central Standard Time on October 1st, 2022. No, it's Saturday. And this is a news article recently from Jerusalem Post. And this is by Reuters and published October the 1st, 2022. And the highlight of this news article, and it reads, for in the news on October 1st, 2022, and it reads, magnitude 5.6 earthquake hits Kyushu region in Japan, the EMSC. A magnitude of a 5.6 earthquake struck Japan's Kyushu region on Saturday. The European Mediterranean Seismological Center says the quake was about 40 kilometers, 25 below the Earth's surface. So yeah, as I stated, I brought out that scripture, Luke 21 and 11. And there shall be earthquakes in diverse places. And these earthquakes in diverse places, especially the increase in the magnitudes on a balanced scale, a balanced up and down scale between these earthquakes in diverse places has definitely been increasing, especially in the year 2022, all the way into 2020 and all the way into 2022. You've been seeing a high increase of magnitudes of earthquakes in diverse places, because the Heavenly Father is definitely visiting this earth, what He made, Let me see if I can bring that in Second Ezra, I believe. Second Ezra. Salakia, I spelled Ezra's wrong. I think it's Ezra's 9:1, if I'm not mistaken. No, that's second. Not first Ezra, second Ezra. Sunday, October 9th on NBC 5. I think it's second verse. Well, I'll check and see. Be sure to join us tomorrow afternoon for the football after show. As soon as the Bears and Giants go final, David Kaplan. This is second Ezra chapter 9 verse 2. Thou shalt understand that it is the very same time wherein the highest will begin to visit the world which He made. Second Ezra 9:3. Therefore there shall be seen earthquakes in diverse places. Yep, because you're seeing the earthquakes in diverse places. And as I brought it out, Second Ezra 9:2, the highest is beginning to visit the place which He made. And that's what we're seeing. You see what happened down there in Florida. Hurricane Fina, if I pronounced that right. What happened over there in Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, Cuba. The Heavenly Father is definitely visiting this place which He made, and it's going to increase more and more and more, as we already a couple of weeks. I said about 2 weeks in hurricane season. So yeah, hey, um, earthquakes in diverse places increasing. These tsunamis, these storms, these earthquakes in diverse places. These heavy floodings, record breaker rains, these heavy heat waves we had over the summer, these heavy droughts, the famines, pestilence, etc. You name it, you know. Hey, that's showing signs, and I brought that Luke 21:11. You know, shall still see great signs from heaven and on upon the earth as well too. So hey, Yahweh Shem Shai is definitely visiting this place which he made, you know. The highest shall visit the place, you know. And that's what the Heavenly Father, Yahweh thy power is doing. Visiting this place which he made, because this earth is his footstool, you know. And he been pass it on down to his only begotten son, which is Yahweh Shai. Hamashiach Yahweh Shai in the ancient Hebrew, you know, in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, that's the Heavenly Father's only begotten Son, which is Yahweh Shai, you know. They definitely visiting this place which they made, you know, because it's not Mother Nature or climate change or nothing like that. It's the Heavenly Father that's, you know, doing these things on the planet Earth. You know, as I mentioned before, with these heavy earthquakes, diverse places, the high increase of numbers of magnitudes of the earthquakes in diverse places, the floodings, the storms, I mean, you name it, wildfires, volcano erupts, dust storms, large hails, I mean, you name it, you know. Yahweh Shemal Shai is doing these things on the planet Earth and doesn't have nothing to do with Mother Nature or climate change or nothing like that. It's the Heavenly Father that's doing these things. And that's why I brought out 2nd Ezra 9:2, which the highest visit the world which he made, you know, from the beginning and all into now, you know. Hey, Yahweh Shemal Shai is definitely going to continue to visit this place which he made with these earthquakes and storms, heavy floodings, heavy rains, record breaker rains, you know, and it's gonna increase more and more and more, you know. So with that, you know, I just want to bring out this sit down lesson of this news update of this earthquake of a 5.6 magnitude hit Japan in that area, in that region over there, hit with a 5.6 earthquake, you know. So with that, once again, I hope this lesson was edifying through the spirit, power, grace, and mercy of the Yahweh Yahushua. And first and foremost, I like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Wakakadash. Double honors to the elders and apostles of Great Millstone, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely, and shalom to the Akim scattered to the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely, and shalom to the Akim scattered to the four corners of the globe, that be like unto the speckled bird, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And until next time, I will say shalom and above.